Michelin bid, what's it called? Night school restaurant. They're cooking over there. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
This water costs 4 water bottles. Cost 60 NT, which is like 50 cents in America. Our Uber was like 216 NT, which is this much in USD. So today, family lore. My dad's grandpa, so my great grandpa, he was a fine artist and became very popular for his work. They turned his like old house into a museum / memorial. Kind of the purpose of this whole trip was to go see it.
So technically there used to be a garage here, so you can park, and then you have the peacocks overhang. There's a carp pond. Oh, there was a pond here. And one summer there was a huge catfish, and my uncle killed it and we ate it for dinner. Just killed the pet.
I know.
He has to put pigment and glue and mix it. It's a Japanese style called gashe. So he had to source all this stuff. But as it got more modern, instead of using glass bottles, he had a friend who owned a 1-hour Fuji photo place, so the film canisters are clear.
Yeah.
So he replaced a lot of the glass bottles with plastic.
Although he didn't
Do you want to say hi?
My name is Tanya, and I work here. Great grandpa,
Yeah.
and we love drawing.
painting that Atsu won a national award for in Japan when he was only 18 years old, so it's kind of how he became famous. And he painted himself as the goat, looking lovingly at his fiancée who was in Taiwan. That's your great grandmother. And he was hoping that after they get married, they would have a baby.
Why does he paint himself as a goat?
I like.
You should stand where I stood.
Where?
Bao, super bao, like Pocari Sweat, but not fizzy.
Apple juice.
It's really sweet. Oh, it's like really sweet. So sweet. It literally tastes like candy.
It's
but
like
it
Jolly
tastes
Rancher
Pretzel
thing with center. It's like those grandma cookies.
with a spiral and flour.
And it smells kind of like shrimp shrimp.
哦呀呀呀！因为我以为嘉义会比较热，所以 OK. So this is the night market. So I was thinking. 你们就是可以。
So we're on our way to the tea farm, and we're stopping periodically
We're
up
at
the
the
mountain.
Love Library.
The Love Library. Are you trying to say something? Are you trying to say something? First time in
You ruined the video. How you feeling, Mom?
I am enjoying the ride.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
ไม่ว้อนมา
Got that on video.
That's got it on video.
hungry.
Yeah, oh,
Wow.
he said many
Oh my God.
accidents here.
Is chewing tobacco different from?
One to bribe. We're on our way to see a pond. Apparently today is like the nicest day of the week. Like yesterday it was really cloudy and foggy and you like couldn't see the person in front of you. But today the sun is like perfect.
Get a video of that? Wow.
Wow, but then this is the living room. No, it looks better. About to eat a meal together. Explain what these piles are.
One's for one order, one's for the second order, and one's for breakfast.
So there you go. There you go.
We're waiting for the food.
Mom, look up. Mom, look up. Look up, look up.
So skewers. Mom got stinky tofu. Dinner. We got the dumps, the fried chicken, and the lowkey. There might be in there. Some thread, silver thread stuff. Yeah.
That one.
You actually have to find your table.
It's a bit rainy today. We're about to get some beef noodle soup.
See like what Michelin did Taiwanese food looks like it's
Start.
Last time we went up with a Singaporean couple with a kid.
Yeah, we went up with another family.
You have good on gondola.
That's true. It's just building.
This is residence.
Yeah, it's not this.
Gotta go down the stairs.
We do that another day because it's hot water from there, and then however dark or light you want it, you just fix it. Probably just for sweet and sweet.
Go get it.
It's kind of
And
hard.
there's extra cups.
What's on top? Brown sugar?
Brown sugar and packing.
Oh, nice.
They have this over the what is it? The Grand Canyon as well.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Yeah.
What did you tell them?
How does it feel to climb more stairs? There's so many people here. There's a ton of people over there. Over there, Clark told me to wave at them. Fucking 이렇게 무서워. Stuck.
Maybe there's a way down around the pool.
Is there like a tour? This is the most crowded place we've ever been to. We're the only people having a good time right now.